Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Mohammed Zunnurain, your mathematics teacher. In today's lecture we are going to discuss exercise 4.3. In exercise 4.3 question number 1, which is express each of the following surd in the simplest form. Here we have to simplify 180. So here we have to make the prime factors of 180. Here I have made prime factors of 180 which are 2, 2, 3, 3 and 5. So we can write it as under root 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now next we can write it as 2 की power 2 multiplied by 3 की power 2 multiplied by 5. Now the powers of 2 and 3 will cut the under root and it will become 2 multiplied by 3 into under root 5. Next 2 multiplied by 3 which is equal to 6. So 6 under root 5 is our answer. Next in second part we have 3 into under root 162. So first of all we have to make prime factors. Here I have made the prime factors of 162 which are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3. So we can write it as 2 multiplied by 3 की power 2 multiplied by 3 की power 2. So this 3 power 2 multiplied by 3 की power 2 will come outside by cancelling the power with square root and it will become 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 under root 2. So 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 under 2 is our answer. In part 3 we have 3 by 4 cube root of 128. So here I have made the prime factors of 128 which are 2 multiplied by 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 2. So we have 7 times 2. So it can be written as 2 की power 3 multiplied by 2 की power 3 multiplied by 2 की power 1. Now this 2 की power 3 will be cancelled with cube root and we have 3 by 4 into 2 multiplied by 2 into cube root of 2. Now 2 to the 4 and this 4 will be cancelled with 4 in denominator. So it will be equal to 3 cube root of 2 which is our answer. Next in part number 4 we have fifth root of 96 x की power 6 y की power 7 z की power 8. As we have fifth root so we have to convert these into the power of 5. So 96 can be written as 2 multiplied by 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 3. So 96 can be written as 2 multiplied by 5 times multiplied by 3 and x की power 6 can be written as x की power multiplied by x and y की power 7 can be written as y की power 2 multiplied by y की power 5 and last we have z की power 5 into z की power 3. Now in next step we can write it as 2 की power 5 multiplied by 3 x की power 5 multiplied by x multiplied by y की power 5 y की power 2 into z की power 3 z की power. So the power of 2 x y and z will cancel the fifth root and it can be written as 2 into x y z fifth root of 3 x y square z cube which is our answer. Next question number 2 we have to simplify under root 18 divided by under root 3 into under root 2. So we have to make the factors of 18 which are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 divided by under root 3 into under root 2. In next step we can write 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 under root as under root 2 into under root 3 into under root 3 divided by under root 3 into under root 2. So this under root 2 will be cancelled with under root 2 and under root 3 will be cancelled with under root 3 and we have under root 3 which is our answer. In part 2 we have under root 21 into under root 9 divided by under root 63. So we have to make the prime factors of these numbers as 7 can be write as under root 3 into 7 and 9 can be write as 3 multiplied by 3 and 63 can be write as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Now separating the under root we have under root 3 into under root 7 into under root 3 into under root 3 divided by under root 3 into under root 3 into under root 7. Now this under root 3 will be cancelled with under root 3, under root 7 will be cancelled with under root 7 and we have under root 3 which is our answer. Next, in part number 3, we have fifth root of 243, x की power y की power 10, z की power 15. So we have to convert these numbers into the power of 5. So we can write 243 as 3 की power 5, and here we have x की power 5 and y की power 10 can be written as y की power 2 whole की power 5, and z की power 15 can be written as z की power 3 whole की power 5. Now these power will be cancelled with fifth root, and we have 3 into x into y square into z की power 3, which is our answer. Next, in part number 4, we have 4 over 5 cube root of 125. 125 can be written as 5 की power 3. So this power will be cancelled with cube root, and we have 4 by 5 into 5. Now cancelling the 5, we have 4, which is our answer. Next, part number 5, which is under root 21 multiplied by under root 7 multiplied by under root 3. So 21 can be written as 3 multiplied by 7, and by separating the under root, we have under root 3 into under root 7 into under root 7 into under root 3. So this under root 7 into under root 7 will be under root 7 whole square, and this under root 3 into under root 3 will be equal to under root 3 whole square. So this square will be cancelled with under root, and we have 3 into 7, which is equal to 21. Next, question number 3, simplify by combining similar terms. Part 1 is under root 45 minus 3 into under root 20 plus 4 into under root 5. So prime factors of 45 are 3 into 3 multiplied by 5, and prime factors of 20 are 2 into 2 into 5. Now as 3 into 3 can be written as 3 की power 2 multiplied by 5, and 2 into 2 can be written as 2 की power 2 multiplied by 5 plus 4 under root 5. Now this power will be cancelled with under root, and we have 3 under root 5, and 2 की power 2 will be also cancelled with under root, and we have 3 multiplied by 2 under root 5 plus 4 under root 5. Next, 3 under root 5 minus 3 to the 6 under root 5 plus 4 under root 5. As under root 5 is common, so taking under root 5 common, we have 3 minus 6 plus 4 under root 5. As 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, 7 minus 6, 1, so under root 5 is our answer. Part number 2 is 4 under root 12 plus 5 under root 27 minus 3 under root 75 plus root of 300. Now prime factors of 12 are 2 into 3, and prime factors of 27 are 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Next, prime factors of 75 are 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, and prime factors of 300 are 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now it can be written as 2 की power 2 multiplied by 3 plus 5, 3 की power 2 multiplied by 3 minus 3 under root 3 multiplied by 5 की power 2 under root of 3 multiplied by 2 की power 2 multiplied by 5 की power 2. Power 2 will be cancelled with under root, and we have 4 multiplied by 2 under root 3 plus 5 multiplied by 3 under root 3 minus 3 multiplied by 5 under root 3 plus 2 multiplied by 5 under root 3. In next step, 4 into 2 8 under root 3 plus 5 into 3 15 under root 3 minus 15 under root 3 and plus 10 under root 3. Now taking common, we have 8 plus 15 minus 15 plus 10. Now this 15 will be cancelled with 15, and we have 8 plus 10, which is equal to 18 into under root 3, which is our answer. In part number 3, we have under root 3 into 2 under root 3 plus 3 under root 3. Now by taking under root 3 common, we have 2 plus 3 into under root 3. Now 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and under root 3 into under root 3 is equal to under root 3 whole square. So this square will be cancelled with under root, and we have 5 into 3, which is equal to 15. In part 4, we have 2 into 6 under root 5 minus 3 under root 5. So taking under root 5 common, we have 2 into 6 minus 3 under root 5. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 into under root 5, which is our answer. Next, in question number 4, simplify part 1, which is 3 plus under root 3 into 3 minus under root 3. So here we will apply the formula of a square minus b square, which is a की power 2 minus b की power 2 is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So we can write it as 3 की power 2 minus under root 3 की power 2. So this power will be cancelled with under root, and 3 की power 2 is equal to 9 minus 3, which is equal to 6, which is our answer. Next, part number 2, which is under root 5 plus under root 3 whole square. Here we will apply the formula of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a का square, which is under root 5 की power 2, plus b square, which is under root 3 whole square, plus 2 into a, which is equal to under root 5, and b, which is equal to under root 3. Now this power will be cancelled with square root, and we have 5 plus 3 plus 2 into, as both have common radicals, so they will be multiplied with each other, and we can write it as 2 into under root 5 multiplied by 3. We can write it as 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2 under root of 15, which is our answer. Part number 3 is similar to part number 1, where we have to apply the formula of a square minus b square. So we can write under root 5 plus under root 3 into under root 5 minus under root 3 as under root 5 whole square minus under root 3 whole square. So this square will be cancelled with under root, and we have 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. Similarly, in part 4, we have to apply the formula of a square minus b square. So we can write it as under root 2 whole square minus 1 over under root 3 whole square. So this power will be cancelled with under root, and we have 2 minus 1 over 3. Now taking LCM, which is 3, and 3 into 2, 6 minus 1 over 3. So it is equal to 5 over 3, which is our answer. Next, last part 5, which is under root x plus under root y into under root x minus under root y into x plus y into x square plus y square. Here we have to use the same formula of a square minus b square. So we can write under root x plus under root y and under root x minus under root y as under root x whole square minus under root y whole square. So this square will be cancelled with under root, and we have x minus y into x plus y into x square plus y square. Again, applying the same formula of a square minus b square, we have x की power 2 minus y की power 2 into x की power 2 plus y की power 2. In next step, again we will apply the formula of a square minus b square. So it is equal to x की power 2 whole की power 2 minus y की power 2 whole की power 2, which is equal to x की power 4 minus y की power 4.